In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a file in Google Sheets so you can duplicate your work without affecting the original file. Start by opening the Google Sheets file you want to copy. Once it's open, go to the top left corner and click on File in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Make a Copy. This will open a small window where you can set up your duplicate file. Next, give your new copy a name so you can easily recognize it later. You'll also see options like sharing with the same people or copying comments. Choose these based on whether you want to keep collaboration and notes from the original. Then choose where you want to save the file. By default, it will go to your main drive, but you can select a specific folder if you want better organization. Click Make a Copy and your new file will open automatically, ready for you to use. There's also another quick method. Go to your Google Drive, find the file you want to duplicate and right-click on it. From the menu, select Make a Copy. Google Drive will instantly create a duplicate in the same folder. You can then rename the file or move it to a different folder if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a copy of a Google Sheets file, making it easy to back up your work or start a new version without changing the original.